it's Renee. I'm so excited that you're here because I love reminding you how amazing you already are. We have within us a tool that is so amazing that we cannot help but thrive. My name is Renee Thomas with DIY Mental Boost, and I'm going to share with you how it is that when you aid and guide your brain in specific ways, it will keep you motivated and productive 24/7. Hey, you clicked. You're here with me. I am so happy you decided to learn what this technique does. Now, in 5 minutes, I'm going to show you what you can do with your very own brain by teaching it to do these 3 steps. Now, I'm not going to explain them to you as I'm showing you. All you have to do is follow along, and this is how my follow along videos are done, either live or through created follow along videos. So go ahead and listen to what I have to say so that you can benefit. So here we go. So just take a deep breath and let it out. Now, can you tell me of something that always makes you happy in life? Think about it. No matter what, it makes you happy. Now, you may be thinking, oh, I can't think of anything. Well, that's okay. How about something you would want to happen in your life that would make you so happy? Just put a smile on your face. Something that maybe you may have experienced or seen other people experience, and you want to recreate that in your life. So just briefly, think of what that might be. Feel the emotion, and if you can, be first person. That basically means that you are not watching yourself having this great experience. You're actually being and doing the experience. Now, if you did not find something, that's not a problem. It's not going to affect the effectiveness of this technique. So let's go ahead and take a deep breath. Now think about this week or today And what is it that is causing you the biggest bother, the biggest frustration? Briefly look at it and see why it is a problem for you. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to imagine as if that problem was this weed that you pulled out of your garden and tossed out, and the little roots just kind of withered away. And that's what we're going to do now. Take a deep breath, and let's play a game. I'm going to do the alphabet game with you today. So I'm going to say A is for the letter of apple, and then you're going to say A is for the word of whatever. Are you ready? So A is for apple. B is for berry. C is for cockle-doodle-doo. D is for dandelion. Now we're going to make this a little funner. If you're having difficulty coming up with the words, that's okay. The whole point is to re-engage your mind. It's not about being right or trying to come up with an answer. It's just actually having your brain think about something else. So we're going to actually enhance it some. What you're going to do is whatever word you come up with, we're going to enhance the visualization of it for you in your mind. So I'm going to say E is for elephant. Now, can you think of an elephant? Now, can you imagine a pink tutu on this elephant and him pirouetting? Excellent. Did you imagine it? Did you see it? What color was your elephant? Can you change that tutu to another color? We're re-engaging the mind. So F is for fiddle. What is your F word? Now, is your F word just a word? Can you make it in large letters and them wiggling? Or is your word an object? Can you see the object? What color is the object? What color should you make your words? Now take a deep breath and let it out. Now we're going to go to a happy place. Now, I had you try to think of one when we first started. Did you have one? Go ahead and think about it. Did you not have one? That's okay. Is there a song that you like? And whenever you hear it, it just makes you want to get up and dance. It's a feel-good song. Okay? That's go happy. We're bringing in a really happy, good emotion. Okay, now go ahead and look at what the problem was. And let's look at it and kind of give it a rating. How is it feeling? Is it feeling less intense? What is it that you really don't like about it? Let's take a deep breath and let it go. So what you're going to do is play another little game with me. Let's do numbers. Let's try to count backwards from 100 as fast as we can. So I'll start out and join in. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 98, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 86, 87. Keep going. Keep going. Till I say stop. Take a deep breath and go to that happy place. And if you don't have a happy place, get that song that you like. You can put a song on right now that you enjoy, that you can feel it. It brings you a happy, calm, peaceful, confident feeling. Take a deep breath. We're going to do this one more time. What is the problem? Why is it such a problem? How can it be worse? Okay, take a deep breath, let it out, and let's distract ourselves. We'll go back to the alphabet game. How about A is for apple, and I need you to spell it backwards. Now don't forget, this is not about whether or not you can really do it. It's just whether or not if you try, because you're just re-engaging the mind. E-L-P-P-A. Excellent. Now, B is for baboon. Can you spell it backwards? N-O-O-B-A-B. Now, C is for cougar. Cougar. Can you spell it backwards? R-A-G-U-O-C. Take a deep breath. D is for dandruff. Ooh. F-F-U-R-N-A-D. Just re-engage your mind. Doesn't mean make a difference if you actually get it correct. It's just a re-engagement. You've done the task perfectly by just trying. Take a deep breath and let's go to our happy place. Feel it, see it in color, make it alive. Listen to your song. Play your song. I was listening to Levitating by Dua Lipa in my head. Take a deep breath and look at what you were so bothered by. Now, did you notice that it went down in some degree? Well, that's just the start of what your brain can do for you. It will actually get to the point where it will be able to get it all the way down to a 0 and a 1 so that it detaches the emotion that's attached to the situation, the thought, or the memory.